How to log in into CIBC online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into CIBC online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to cibc.com. Once you are on the CIBC home page, click on the sign on button in the top right corner. Now, enter your user ID and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register to create one. After entering your details, click on sign in button. And with this, you will be now logged in into CIBC account. You can now view your transactions, manage it and much more. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.